Hello, you're watching India Today Tech and this is our Friday special, our weekly special. I am Pavni Jain and this is our Q&A video where I answer all your tech related questions. So if you're new to this channel and want to submit your question, here's how you do it. Submit your question down below in the comment section of this video or any of the Q&A videos that I do. Use the hashtag Let's Get Techie, that's important, and I'll take your question next Friday. So now it's time to get techie. So here's question number 1. Sandeep Apasani says, you suggested to go with OnePlus devices. Now my question is, which is more value for money or more worth, OnePlus 8 or 8 Pro? In comparison to OnePlus 8, the 8 Pro comes with extra cameras. It comes with bigger and better display with 120Hz refresh rate, larger battery and also wireless charging system as well. So, you can add 5,000 rupees to the high-end variant of OnePlus 8 and you can get the base variant of OnePlus 8 Pro, which is a more better value for money smartphone. So next question is asked by Nikhil Kapse and he writes, I am confused to choose between 60Hz Super AMOLED and 120Hz IPS display. Which one should I prefer? That's an undirected question, Nikhil, because it totally depends, varies on different smartphones and the quality of displays they are using on it. We generally say that AMOLEDs are good and in comparison to IPS because they show deepened blacks. But then if you take an example of few iPhones that come with IPS LCD display, we would prefer iPhones over those Android AMOLED displays. So yeah, it totally depends on brands and smartphones. Next, as far as the screen refresh rate is concerned, it's like the more the merrier. So yeah, of course 120Hz display would definitely show smoother motion graphics and animations. Next question. Piru Jagdish asks, I want to upgrade my Samsung S9 Plus and I want to try iOS. Confused between iPhone SE 2020 and XR. Given that Samsung S9 Plus comes with 6.2 inches screen, iPhone XR offers similar screen size dimensions. Plus, I also recommend iPhone SE 2020 to those who want really compact smartphones. But for you, Jagdish, I would say go ahead with iPhone XR. And if it is going to be your first iPhone, then you should definitely experience the high-end features that Apple offers in its iPhones. So yeah, XR would be a better choice. Next question is asked by Ankush Das. He has written, should I buy Redmi Note 9 Pro Max? My budget is 18K to 19K. Why not Poco X2? I mean, it comes with slightly better chipset. Vignesh Rasa has a question for us, guys. OnePlus 8 or Huawei P30 Pro? I'm already using Honor 8 Pro and used to EMUI and I'm happy with my current phone. But now looking for an upgrade. So which one would you suggest? Budget is around 50K. Okay, going by the specs on paper for Huawei P30 Pro, the phone looks really impressive, and when it comes to cameras, the P30 Pro ranks better than OnePlus 8 series phones on DxO Mark ratings. Also, you said you are used to its operating system. Then for you, I would strongly recommend P30 Pro. But that doesn't mean, that OnePlus 8 or 8 Pro is any less. I mean, Oxygen OS gives you stock Android-like experience. So if you would want to shift to some other brand than Huawei, I would say you can consider OnePlus 8 Pro. It will cost you somewhere around 55,000 rupees. So yeah, choose between these two. These are like great options. Next question. Chaudhary Wahaj says, Samsung Galaxy S10 Lite or OnePlus 8 Pro? OnePlus 8 Pro. I prefer Oxygen OS over Samsung's One UI. Next is from Tejas Komar Pant and he says, buying OnePlus 17 2020 is still worth it? Hell yes! Like go ahead with OnePlus 17. Next is from Gamerlogy and he has written, what phone is better for PUBG? See, if gaming is one of your hobbies, then you should definitely go ahead with dedicated gaming phones like Asus ROG Phone 2 or Black Shark 2. But if you want a more practical phone where you can also play games, then you can also buy OnePlus 8 Pro or iPhone 11 Pro, or maybe high-end phones from Samsung. And if you want something more reasonable, as in something under 20,000 rupees, then you can also buy Poco X2. So ultimately it actually depends on your budget, and yeah, it totally depends on your budget, so you can choose whatever you want out of these phones. Next one is from Mohit Mahimtara. I'm sorry if I mispronounce your surname, Mohit. So the question is, what is your opinion about using Asus Zenfone 5Z in June 2020? Okay, Asus 5Z was definitely a fantastic phone when it was launched 2 years ago. Yes, it still actually boasts good features when you compare it with phones that are there in the market right now. But buying it in 2020 June, it won't be a sensible choice. I mean, it comes with notch display, it comes with thick chin, lesser cameras, and of course an outdated design. Next question. No, Mohit has another question, like question number 2, and also about using Nokia 7.3, other Nokia phones compared to Mi or Vivo, and such typical Chinese company, where they offer more in same price budget. Mohit, it's not about the Chinese smartphones. It's more like different people prefer different brands, and they're comfortable with different sort of operating systems. I mean, a lot of people buy Nokia phones for its stock Android-like experience, whereas there are users who want feature-rich smartphone, and thus they end up buying Realme or Redmi smartphones. Now I'm taking today's very last question, guys. Vardhan Jain writes, I am currently using 64GB plus 4GB RAM handset and the storage is still not full. Okay. Which variant of OnePlus 8 Pro should I buy? 128GB 8GB RAM or 256GB 12GB RAM? Should it make a major difference with upgrade? No. In your case, I think you can go ahead with the base variant of OnePlus 8 Pro, which is 8GB of RAM paired with 128GB of internal storage. The smartphone will cost you somewhere around rupees 55,000. So everyone, thank you for watching this video. If you like it, do not forget to give it a big fat thumbs up. Share this video with your friends and subscribe to India Today Tech. Stay safe, stay tuned.